Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the crowd density estimation using machine learning. So in that project you just have to upload any input image or video, and machine learning model will count total number of person in that particular video frame. So we have uploaded the complete video, and the model is detecting the number of people in that particular frame, and it will classify like heavy crowded, okay, less crowded. So it will classify in that particular classes, and it will count the total number of person in that particular frame, like FPS 0, 1, like that, and it will count the total number of person 121, 146, and it will changes continuously because whenever the number of people increase in that particular frame, then the number of people counting is increases, and it will change the class, or else it will continuously changing. So this project developed using Python programming language and machine learning model used to train the model. So this type of project we are developing related to Python, machine learning, deep learning, AI neural network, or Java, Android web development. So this type of project, if you want, then you can visit our profile like www.techieprojects.com, or you can also contact us. I will provide the contact link in description. Okay, let's continue this video. This is the complete project. If you're in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. Let's close this video and generate the heat map. So it generates the heat map. It will show too crowdy, and it will count the total number of people in that particular images. So this will be the complete project. If you're in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. Okay, it will also store the heat maps in that particular separate folder. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.